Welcome to Tabla lesson tutorial. Today we are going to learn the very basic part of Tabla lesson, the practice lessons for Tabla. This is interesting practice lesson for beginners so that you can practice and enjoy practicing Tabla. So let's start with the variation number 1. The goal of practice lesson is Da tere kite tak tere kite. Da tere kite tak tere kite. Da tere kite tak tere kite. Let's look it very closely and slowly for one balls. Da tira kita tak tira kita. 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 These types of ball are very easy to play and it brings you joy while practicing tabla. It will make your balls clear. So keep practicing this type of ball. We are now bringing the series of this type of ball so you enjoy playing tabla when you are beginners, which will significantly help you in future. Like how this will help. We have the ball da tere kite tak tere kite. Da tere kite tak tere kite. Da tere kite tak tere kite. In this way we can practice this da tere kite tak tere kite. So let's look it little more closely. The hard part of this is taka. Which taka to play? Like we can do here da tere kite tak tere kite, or you can also do da tere kite tak tere kite. Tak and tak. Da tere kite tak tere kite. Da tere kite tak tere kite. One is this and another. So both are same, but the hitting stroking pattern is different. This taka is played in this blackish part, which is CI, and the next taka is from Chati. So what beginners should do? Practice both taka five times. Like in this way, you can practice both taka, which are very essential when for advanced lessons. Most of the time, we play this type of balls, so we use this. Sometimes we play, or you can even do like this. It is possible to do when you are in very slow speed, but in faster speed, these taka are little bit hard. So this type of three variations from same taka you can practice when you are beginner, which will open your hand for playing taka. Or you can single practice. Like this. You should practice three taka. Look how interesting it will be if you play three. It will increase your practice also, and you enjoy playing tabla also. Playing one by one, three taka, one taka, two taka, three taka. Again repeating the same. The ball is hope you get these lessons. Playing three taka, I'll revise it once. In this you can practice If you are searching for more of English lessons, then I'll keep link in description. The basics of English, I have taught every bowls how to play this da, ti, re, ki, every one single ball in detail. You can find some of them from my English playlist, or I'll keep some description in link in description. So hope you get the lesson. We'll meet in our next variation. Thank you. Keep watching Tabla lesson tutorial.